I was the plug. I've been touching them bands. I was moving them drugs. I was flooding the land. No more adding up grams. Now I rap and got fans. I still stay with my gun, pistol in my pants. You don't wanna dance. Bitch, I was the plug. I was touching them bands. I was moving them drugs. I was flooding the land. No more adding up grams. Now I rap and got fans. I still stay with my gun, pistol in my pants. You don't wanna dance. I got this bitch on my hip now. You don't wanna dance, I ain't Chris Brown. Had a house full of sticks like the 3 little pigs. I ain't wolfing, I been blowing shit down. Daddy told me to shoot if shit get foul. I got paid like the opera for getting loud. But you know about tic-tac-toe. Had my exes play O's in the big pounds. All the drugs that I sold, shit, I'm lucky nobody told. Supplying them buyers, no washer and dryer, was moving them loads. On the phone I was sneezing and coughing. I was talking in codes. Now I'm selling on shows. Players Club, I got poles. For the end of your life, you don't wanna start. I'ma aim at your circle, not throwing darts. Don't you know that my chopper do open heart? If I snap, I'ma drop him, no Owen Hart. Bitches want me to cut, yeah, I know I'm sharp. Need a rug and a carpet, my flow is hard. I'm backstage with the gang, the fans screaming my name loud as fuck. They can't wait for my show to start. I was making a killing of drugs, I was drilling. I flooded the land like I'm Noah's Ark. Used to show so much love to my clientele. I was fronting them bitches, not rows apart. Told them pull in the alley, pop up on your trunk. Had the whip getting pounds like I'm towing cars. I was touching that cash nuggets up in the back, trying to get me in them like the golden arch. Bitch, I was the plug. I've been touching them bands. I was moving them drugs. I was flooding the land.